Okay. We are draining the tank. So this customer called me last night saying he had, I was on call last night, saying he had his water heater leaking. He was quoted back in 20 for a new water heater, but it sprung a leak. So we're out here, it is what, May of 22. Now we're out here replacing it this morning. So we're getting it drained out right now. So let me get it drained out. We'll get the gas off. Get the pipes cut, and we'll get the drain off the TNP. I think it started draining at, let's see, 9 o'clock. And it is 9:32. Got everything taken out. Mike just got here, so we're going to go put stubbies on it, get it down here, and get it done. It's not going to take us that long. Mike's new way of opening up a box with a sawzall. I guess he didn't have a razor blade.
It's not smart.
It works. Let's see it, Mike. GoPro's not working. I swear I gotta retire. I'm done with GoPro. Oh, there's the tank.
What would you switch next to?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I got some other 360 camera. I don't know what the heck that's. I have to look at it.
That worked. Just the tip.
Just the tip. That's what she said. Just the tip. All right, let's get some unions. We'll sweat some unions on this thing, get some stubbies on it, and probably be out of here before 10. All right, so we got the new tank down. Vent's already done. Mike's gonna work on the gas. He's gonna give it to you. Give you the pleasure. Where's the press? There's the press. Tighten it up. Just gotta screw that nut. Here, give me that. I'll screw the nut. You light it.
Always takes a little bit.
My neighbor, yeah, okay, my neighbor turned it off last night. I thought he turned it off.
Yeah, he turned it off right there.
Yeah,
But it takes a while for the gas to bleed through.
okay. It's pretty simple to operate then, all I have to know is where the vacation is, huh?
Yeah, it's the same as your other one, just a different configuration.
Okay,
Same light in it, but this one gives you some diagnostic codes.
which don't mean much to me.
There we go. There we go. Okay, that was a pretty quick water heater change. I think I started draining in at 9 o'clock, right around there. And we're done by 10:03. So I got a drain cut out, pulled out of the space there. Mike showed up maybe 15 minutes later and got it down there and did the vent, the gas, the water, done. There was nothing to it. And that was probably one of the quickest water heaters ever. Not much of a video, let me tell you that. So, we're on to the next one. Actually, Mike's coming over with me. I don't know what we're doing at this house. But I'll see if I can get some video on that. But I will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.